Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can create AirTM account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is make sure that AirTM is installed on your phone, and after making sure that, simply just open this application. After opening the application, here you can see there is two different options, Get Started and Login. Tap on Get Started in order to create yourself an account. Now you'd have to choose the country that you currently live in. You can simply just tap on this search bar right here and start typing down your country, or you can manually search just like this. I'm going to tap on the search bar and search. Here you can see this is the country that I live in, so I'm going to select this one and simply tap on Continue. After doing so, you'd have to select the type of account that you want. I'm going to tap on Personal. If you are using it for a business, you can tap on Business. After tapping on it, you can either connect it with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID, or you can simply just sign up with your email. I'm going to sign up with my email, so I'm going to tap on Sign up with my email. After doing so, you have to now type down your email address right here. After writing down your email address, tap on this password button and then create yourself a strong password for your AirTM account. So after creating yourself a strong password for your account, all you have to do is tap on this Next button right here. After doing so, you'd have to now type down your first name and your last name, or if you have a second last name, you can tap on this box and write down your second last name too. So after filling down your name, all you have to do is tap on the Next button again. Now you would have to solve a small puzzle just like this for the verification. So simply just slide this and solve this puzzle just like this. So after doing so, your verification has been completed. And here you can see you have now successfully created yourself an AirTM account. Tap on Got It. And then in here, you can see there is your name right here. And like this, you would know that you have successfully created yourself AirTM account. And that is it. That is how you can create yourself an AirTM account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.